Everybody is looking for ways to make cash online, but not all of them are worth your time. Here are the top 10 legit ways to earn in 2024. Number 1. Freelance writing. Got away with words? Businesses will pay you to write their stuff. Easy peasy. 2. Virtual assistant. Help busy folks manage their chaos from the comfort of your couch. 3. Online tutoring. Share your wisdom and get paid. Smart move, right? 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn commissions. Bingo. 5. E-commerce. Set up your online store and sell anything. Seriously, anything. 6. Online courses. Teach what you know and get that passive income rolling. 7. YouTube channel. Create videos, get views, and watch the ad dollars roll in. 8. Podcasting. Share your voice, build an audience, and monetize. Mic drop. 9. Blogging. Write, share, and earn through ads, sponsors, and more. 10. Social media management. Help businesses rock their socials and get paid for your scrolling skills.